Hi, Team 330. I hope you're doing well and running on great coffee. We're going to briefly touch on Microsoft Project Online, Power BI Online, and how you can use these tools to report risks in project portfolios. All project stakeholders should monitor and review the current active risks that could affect their scope of practice. Program managers, project managers, and technical resources need quick access to data in a format that is easy to consume and use to take action. On the screen, we have a risk dashboard that illustrates the current risk related to two projects, as well as the categories for these risks, which are related to technology, financing, and the delivery of value based on the schedule, as we can see here. Using Microsoft Project Online and Power BI Online together allows all stakeholders to collaborate on projects and ultimately bring the project data together into a dashboard that provides insight into the entire portfolio. How do we share this information with the team? Microsoft Teams is the chosen application. We'll drop in and we'll send a notification to our team, and they will receive this new message notification via the web application, the desktop application, or the phone application. Thanks for watching.